Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a Wonderful Plan. I'm Tina and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of the Happy Planner sticker book, Colorful Boxes. But before I do that, I just thought it would be kind of neat to also have show the different layouts that Happy Planner has in their planners. Of course, there is the vertical planner, which the days of the week are at the top, and then you've got everything just goes across this way, and you write your days in vertically. Okay, and then there is a note section on the side here. And if you are already a Happy Planner you will know that there are a lot of the vertical style that Happy Planner has. I personally like the horizontal style. This just works best for me, so I will be talking a lot about how to plan horizontally, use the stickers in the horizontal layout as well. And then this does also have a note section down here. The vertical planner has the notes on the side here. So whichever plan layout that you prefer, I just thought it would be kind of neat to do the flip through of the colorful boxes and then also kind of show you how you can use them in either one of the layouts that you prefer. Okay, well, let's just get started here. I just wanted to do, this is just kind of a quick little flip through here. I will be going through them individually, and there's not a lot of wording in this particular sticker book. It's just that colorful boxes, and this is actually the newer one that they have released for 2019. So let's just get started. Okay, so we've got these really pretty colors, this really pretty pink. It's got a yellow, orange, and then the pink in here. I personally am not a fan of like a yellow or orange. Orange I like to use for Halloween time. So for October, everything in my planner is orange. Other than that, I don't really use orange, but I just love the way that they have put these colors together. Just really pretty combination here. So just to start off with on this page, I'm going to go through them pretty detailed, just again to show you how you can use them in either one of these. I'm not actually going to be doing a layout or a spread, just kind of doing the flip through, but also showing you how you can use them in each one of your preferred planner layouts. So this one, of course, you have the long boxes in through here, and if you do the vertical planning, you know, these usually just fit perfectly into, you know, one of the sections, or even on the side here in the note section, they are made to fit those. Again, I am more of a horizontal planner, so I would still use these boxes. They're really pretty. They are lined here, so you know, you would have to put them in each planner accordingly this way. But I would use this. Either you can use the whole sticker just to sort of create a, you know, just like a long checklist here of things to do for the, maybe for the week. That would work great. Or if you prefer and you want to just fit them into each day accordingly, then I would just cut them. You know, that's the great thing about Happy Planner. You make it your own. So customize it the way that you prefer. Don't hesitate to buy stickers that you think will not work in your planner because you prefer one layout rather than the other. You just have to compromise and make it work for you. Okay, so on this one here, and this one's got some really, I like these down here where it has the cutout. So these can fit into, I think they would be great on the, actually on the horizontal planner, because you could fit that like right around the date here, which is kind of neat. And then also in your monthly layout, they fit perfectly in the boxes here and just around the date. So therefore, you're not blocking that out, and then you have a perfect little tab there and write whatever is going on for you in that day. So I think those are great. Those are going to be really useful. Then we have some other ones that we've got some longer ones here, which again fit very nicely for the horizontal layout in each particular day here. You could definitely use it in your vertical layout as well. You know, maybe you've got something going on for a couple days, you can put that right across there. So just some ideas instead of just a normal flip through of what's in here. Just like to give you ideas of actually how to use the stickers in your planners. Okay, so now we've got some, ooh, this is really pretty. Again, lots of checklists. You could create your own heading here for whatever this checklist will be. This is really pretty. It has the foil on here, little accents. This one also has some really cute tabs that you can use. Okay. And then this one does not have any foil. Again, using the same color scheme here. Lots of checklists, the little boxes, which are really nice. Those would fit nicely in your monthly. You want to put that on for a monthly. They're a little shorter, so they don't cut the the date off, which is nice. This one's right here are a little bit longer, and those fit nicely in your vertical planner. And then I would definitely use these, of course, in my horizontal. They are a little bit longer, so if that bothers you, you could just trim them down or just have them overlap. Whatever works best for you. The same thing with these checklists. Again, they're a little bit longer because they are really they're cut out, they're measured out to fit the vertical planner. That fits in there nicely. But I love my horizontal layout, so that's what I use. I would cut them down. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh, we've got some really pretty big boxes, which you could put those in your notes section of your planner. Again, they're a little bit bigger, but that's okay, or up in the corner maybe for, something going on for the whole week. Maybe you're going on vacation and you just want to put all of your information into the box. And then, of course, if you are a vertical planner, then that's going to fit across like a couple days. That's pretty wide. So you got something going on maybe for the weekend. That would probably be a really great box to use up there. So you've got those, the big boxes and those color schemes. And then we've got some, this is just a solid box here. There's no line, so this can be laid out either way, either vertically or horizontally. And this one right here does have lines. So of course you would have to lay that one out horizontally. We've got some longer strips here with the arrows. I like these to use for my week, and that would look actually really nice too in a monthly. If you want to have a whole thing going on for the week, that would fit in there nicely. Weekend adventure. And then we've got some flags down here in that same color scheme. So that color scheme does continue onto here, and this is really pretty with the foil. I like that. And then they do have these other boxes with the foil that have the nice cutout here that you can, again, put around the date, which is really cute. Some smaller boxes here, a little bit bigger. And then we've got the ones down the center here. And then the longer ones here. And then we've got the little hexies down here. These little stickers are really cute. I just like to put them in various places. Okay, so now we've got, now these are actually, they look like they are full boxes, but they're not. They're actually all individual here. So This is a really pretty pink, but you've got a nice solid box here to use. And then you've got one that has like the pink border with the light pink on the inside. And then this next one is the solid pink but with the white border. So you've got that in the orange, and then this is a mixture. This, I don't know why this sort of reminds me of lemonade. Look how pretty that is. Okay, and then down the center, so all of these are individual, and then you've got the ones in the center, kind of like ombre looking here. These are really pretty. Okay, so now we're on to the next color scheme, which is so pretty. I love the teal. Teal's probably become one of my favorite colors this year. I don't know, I really have taken a liking to it. It's got the green in here and the yellow. Green, yellow, not really, you know, big fans of either of those colors, but I really like the way they use those colors in this book. The color scheme is very pretty. I would definitely use these. Again, looks like it's just repeating the same scheme here as the beginning and just a different color palettes. Okay, so we've got the long boxes, the checklists, and then the cutout boxes, which are nice. Okay, and then again, it's just a repeat of the color scheme. So we've got line checklists, and then we've just got the little arrows here, the bullet point checklists, which are really nice. More of the same color scheme, again, just repeating, smaller boxes, bigger here, and then our checklist down the center. And then we've got our bigger boxes here. Some flags at the bottom. Oh, and here's our foil. Very pretty. Did I skip the foil? Nope, there was actually, nope, this is the first one in that color scheme with the foil. So, and this looks like a gold foil in here. Very pretty, very pretty. I like the foil. I like that. Okay, and then we've got those little individual boxes again in all the different colors, which are really nice. These are all like the solid colors, and then down the center they've done like the ombre, mixing the colors. So very pretty. Ah, so pretty. My very favorite color, purple. I love purple. So this, I will definitely be using this and the teal. So what more could I ask for, right? Got the long boxes. Again, just a repeat of the other two color schemes that we've seen. And then you've got the cutout boxes down here. Don't forget about those. Those are neat. Oh, and look at the pretty, pretty floor. It's like a, this foil is got like a sparkly, it's a silver with like an iridescent. I love it. Oh, it's just so pretty. Look at that, the bullet points. I love it. Very, very pretty. We've got more here, more checklists. Love my checklists. And then we've got the big boxes, just like we had in the other color schemes. All right. Ooh, pretty. I love this foil here. Love that. And that's, again, that's a silvery iridescent foil. So pretty. And then we've got these small boxes. I really like these. I think I'm going to use these like for appointments. Use my appointment sticker maybe on there and just write the actual appointment in each box. I like those. Can't wait to use these. Oh, this is really, really pretty. It's got the purple and pink and the orange. I like the way they put this together. Okay, so we've got our next color scheme with the same layouts. Check the bullet points, arrows, and then aligned checklists here. Smaller boxes, a little bit longer here, and bullet points. And we've got some big boxes. And we've got some foil, very pretty. Love the foil. And then of course those little boxes that I was talking about. Okay, this is really pretty. No, oh, see, now this one's already starting to come apart. That's the thing about these sticker books. I like them, but I know a lot of people will tie them up here just as like a suggestion to keep them together. That way you can flip through them with more ease and you don't have to worry about them because they're going to come apart. Like the more you use these, the more you flip through them, they're just going to start coming apart here. So what I like to do is I actually I create my own sticker book. I like to take all of these stickers out of these books and put them into a book. I have, it's a disc, you know, it's got the discs. Like I've created covers for them. So I'll be showing you how to do that with these books if you would prefer to do something like that. I don't know, it just works better for me. I like flipping more this way. I think it probably just goes with my mindset of liking things more horizontal as opposed to more vertical. So I guess it's just kind of the way my mind works, and that's what I'm comfortable with. So I'll be showing that to you in a future video very soon, how to make a different sticker book, which I like to do because it's crafty. So these colors are so pretty. Every time I look at this color, it just, I don't know why, it just reminds me of like a Mai Tai drink. Like I could go for a Mai Tai drink when I see these colors. So this is the next color scheme that we have here with the yellow and the orange and peachy. Very pretty. Very pretty. Very springy, summery, I think. I like to do my planner according to seasons, so I tend to stick to specific colors each season. All right. Oop. And this is why I take them apart, because they tend to come apart. Okay, here we go. So we've got more of the little boxes, checklists here, and more for, oh, this is pretty. Now this is a gold foil in here. I like that. Sorry, I was kind of distracted by this up here, but this is really pretty. Look at that. The gold. I like it. Now we've got some bigger boxes here, just like we had in the previous color schemes. And we've got more gold foil, which goes really well with this color schemes that they have here. I like those. Again, this has, you know, the individual boxes that you could put in your, you know, just to kind of, you know, go over what I was saying earlier. You could put it in each individual box on your monthly spread. Or on the horizontal, you can put it around the date here as well. So those are going to come in useful. And then we've got this where it's got the individual boxes. Again, we've got the solid, you've got a border here with the lighter color on the inside, and then this has got, it's a solid, but then it's got the white border, white thin border. So these are going to come in handy. I'm going to use these again, like I said, for I think for appointments and such. I think that'll be really cute, kind of make my planner more colorful. So that concludes this sticker book, color boxes. And again, it's just that, really no wording in there, just a couple of things. Gonna be great in your vertical, if you're a vertical planner, or if you are a horizontal planner like I am. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit the like button, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you can see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.